Hello everyone, it's me Paul again, here with another Tesla, and I'm going to do a repair in this area today at the client's house. He mentioned to me that he got a couple of quotes to replace the bumper, which was well over $1,000, almost like $2,000. So in this video I'm going to show you that it does not have to be replaced. I can do the repair right on site, and hopefully you enjoy the video. Let's get started. Alright. Ingrid here is going to be mixing the color. What color are you mixing?
It's a pearl white, but I don't remember the name.
That's okay. PPSW, I believe.
It has a really nice name, actually. I just can't remember it.
Yeah, okay.
It's
I'm
like
sure.
a white ocean or white clean.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
mix up all the names.
It's a
now.
fancy name for a three-stage pearl white.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, so I'm going to use a little bit of heat to get this shape back. You can see a high spot over here, a little low over here, a little bit of a dent in here, and another little one down here. And it just missed the black portion, so we're good there. So like I said, a little bit of heat, and I'm going to melt. It has a puncture here, but I'm going to melt this back together again. Okay. Alright, so if we look here, I'm going to try to do a side thing here. What I'm doing, it's already hot, so I'm going to press in, get that to push back in and relax so I don't have to sand so much out of it. And some cold water to cool it down rapidly, kind of shock the molecules back into its new alignment. Yeah, I sound like a scientist. Okay. Alright, that's much rounder now. Now I'll go ahead and melt in that little hole there. Once in a while I'll use a little bit of dye coat on a curved surface, see if I can block sand it. It kind of reveals, you'll see what I'm saying, it kind of reveals any low spots or pinholes that I may have missed. This is the white base coat. After this will be the pearl. Okay, now I'm gonna tack off some of the overspray from the base coat and then blend it out a little bit. I do that sometimes on pearls, if there's like a static charge on the car and it pulls all the overspray, little blotchy areas, and then I've tried to put the pearl over top of it directly. The pearl is attracted to those blotchy areas also, so I just tack off all the overspray and then we'll throw the pearl on. Sorry about the lighting. The sun is shining through the trees and casting this shadow and all these spots in here. So I'm gonna let that dry a little bit and get ready for clear coat. That was kind of a tough one to clear coat because of all the shadows and stuff. I can't see how all the clear coat's laying out, so. But I got it. And as soon as that dries up, I'm gonna cut it down a little bit, wet sand it and buff it, and we'll be all done. Okay, all done. Took about 7 hours to do this repair. Bumper came out very straight and slick. Did the repair at the client's house. So technically you don't have to go to a body shop. Technically you don't have to replace the bumper, but each shop, every repair person, facility does it a different way. This is the way I do it. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have an awesome day. Bye.